Man, oh man, it is hot. Hey, what's going on, all my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes? It's your boy Will back again, and got another box. What's in the box? All right, let's check it out. Let me get myself together. All right, I'll be right back. All right, back in. Let's check this box out, see what's in here. Pop. Pretty nice size box too. But I don't remember ordering anything big. I think I got something, some samples or something, but you guys probably already know because it's probably in the thumbnail. So let me see what it is. Okay, let's see. Alrighty. Bunch of paper. Oh yeah. It is samples. Okay. It's the what is this? Orchid sample collection. So we're already here. Let's go ahead and jump right into it and see what it is. Now, when these fragrances came out, I was kind of interested, but not super interested because from what I could tell, most of them smelled like either Camera or Angel Share, and I had enough copies of that already, that fragrance. So I think I have two of the Cameras already, and then I had another Angel Share. I think I have maybe one or two Angel Share clones. So I was like, I don't really need it. But when they came out with the sample collection, I was like, okay, this is small enough where I can smell them, get a feel for them, and I don't have to have a full bottle because I'm probably not going to go through the full bottle. All right, so this box slides out, just had a little plastic over it, and the front just has the Discovery stuff on it, and there on the bottom. Don't need that. And then the presentation actually looks pretty nice, how they sit in there. So it's 5 different fragrances, and let's go through them and check them out. Since we don't have to unwrap any of them, here's the first one. Let's see if that name comes in there. This one is the Tobacco, and let's go check it out. The top fits pretty snug. Each one of these are supposed to be, I think, 20 milliliters, so it's enough to get you by, and probably be a good size for traveling also. So if they are good, that'd be what I'll be using them for. Oh, that's a nice spray on there. Oh, okay, yeah. It kind of has a calmer vibe with a wet, or I won't say wet, with a like a supple leather to it. This is something that I'm pretty sure this is going to be different on the skin, but I'm just doing the first reactions of it. So take everything that I'm saying with a grain of salt. And I don't, since it's 5 bottles, I don't have enough skin to test all of them. I'm just going to test them on a paper strip. When I actually wear them, I'll go a little bit deeper into it. But yeah, but right here, this is what it smells like. It smells like Camera, like a sweeter Camera with a little bit of like a blonde leather. Nice. I like it. I like it. This is different enough to that I'll be all right. And I'm glad to have this one in addition to. This one's kind of like a twist on the whole Camera or Angel Share. This is kind of like a Camera Kawa. Not that it smells like it, but how it's a little bit different. So it's you can use it and different. You can have both of them and not have to feel like it's overlapping. So yeah, okay, that one is leather. Nice. Okay, and let's see. Let's go with the red one. This one is cherry. I'm not sure why that's not focusing. Oh, there we go. This one's cherry. Now, from what I heard, this one is supposed to be the best one of the whole collection of the Sweet Heaven. So let's see. Let's see if I feel the same way. Okay. That's a nice spread though, especially with a little bottle like this. Yeah. I mean, it's nice. I like this, but it's not. Actually, for right now, I like the leather better than this one. This one's sweeter. This is another one I feel like it will be different. It probably smell better on skin. But the cherry is really sweet. Like it's almost overpowering. Like it doesn't. It smells like it's maybe Comra, but it doesn't really smell like Comra. Is way, 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 way in the background. Almost smells like almost kind of like pop cherry. That's kind of what this is kind of smelling like. With a little bit more I don't know, incense or something to it. But yeah, it's nice. I like it. Right now I wouldn't say that that's my favorite, but I do like it. Let's see. Get this next one out. They're kind of tight in here. And here's the next one. And this one is Extreme. Okay, and these tops are really tight on there. So they're pretty snug, so I wouldn't have a problem. I wouldn't be worried about picking it up by the top if you wanted to. That was one though. That one actually sprayed a little bit first. Ooh, this one smells like it's a little more spicy. Like when I say spicy, I mean like cinnamon or nutmeg or something like that. It's something really strong on the top. But this doesn't smell. It doesn't come off like smelling like Comra to me. It's in the same wheelhouse, but it doesn't smell like it. It smells different. It smells like it's a different fragrance. Now, might smell better or might smell more closer to Angel Share or Comra once I put it on skin. But right now, it's nice. I like it. It has that same kind of vibe as Comra, but it doesn't smell like a clone. That's Extreme. That one's pretty cool. I think the way I'm pulling them out is the order that I like them so far. I like the leather, then the cherry, and then the Extreme. And this one here, I think this is the ice. Is that common in there? Sweet Home Ice. And let's see, it's a blue color. So maybe it's supposed to be a fresher version of it. Let's see. Actually, I don't think I heard anything about the ice, actually. I've heard about the Extreme, the cherry, the tobacco, and the original. So I don't think I've heard anything about this one. Let's see what this one is like. Oh yeah, this is a fresher version of it. This one smells like an aquatic version of Comra. Like this is one of those, Comra and Angel Share, they're kind of heavy fragrances, so they're not really made for the summertime, but you can get away with them maybe in the summer evening. This one is one that you could wear in the summer day. This is actually pretty cool. Yeah, I like this one. Actually, I think I like this one better than the Extreme. Actually, I might like this one better than the cherry also. This one's nice. I'm probably going to put this in the rotation. I'm probably going to wear this sometime soon. So, yep. That was nice. That is ice. And got one more to go. Those were all the flankers of the Sweet Home. And I assume that this one, yeah, this one is the actual original Sweet Home, nothing else. The top, boy, I tell you, these tops are super tight, and this one was already lined up. Okay. Yeah. This one is smells like Camera / Angel Share. It's actually less spicy than Camera, because Camera to me smells like it's a little bit more masculine and a little bit more spicy than Angel Share. Angel Share leans like it's maybe unisex, maybe leaning to a female side, and Camera is leaning a little bit to the masculine side. This one smells like it's right in between the two of them. So yeah, this was pretty cool. Can't wait to put these on skin. But then again, like I said, this one and the other 4 outside of ice, they all kind of come off as like a winter type of scent. So yeah, all right. That's all I got for you today. I just wanted to run through those and smell them and see what it is. As I got those at where did I get? Aroma Concepts. So if you're interested, go pick them up. It's a sample, wasn't too expensive, so nice. All right, thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about these 5 fragrances from Sweet Home. Until next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces. There are 2 major issues with niche fragrances. Sometimes they're a little bit too artistic.